In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust the paragraph spacing of your Microsoft Word file you're working on. It's simple and easy. This file has 10 pages you can see here. So I want to make this take effect on all the pages. So I Ctrl+A to select everything here. I'm at the home tab or ribbon, anyhow you call it. I move to this paragraph section here. I tap on this here. You can see these two options here. I can choose this add space before paragraph, and I can remove it too as well. You can see when I choose, it adds. So I choose add and I add the spacing, and that's it. So to remove it, you come here and you do the same too as well to remove it. So that's it on how you adjust spacing or you add spacing to your paragraphs on Microsoft Word. Simple and easy. Move to this side here. You can see add spacing. You tap on the add to add it. And also there is an option before and after. You can see before, you can see after, any of them that you want to choose. You can choose that and you're good to go. So that's it for the video. If you're new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.